I've done a little animation, but it's like a couple of lines. So this was the first time that I actually did something that was a big part, and it was hard at times because it's hard to act with your voice, and it's unusual for me because I'm new to it. But I had a lot of fun, and Adam was there almost every recording I did, so it was nice to have his support, and I hope.
You're my maybe wavy, of course.
It was good for me at first to go in by myself so that I could kind of get used to the character. And I actually didn't know that he was watching the first time for a while, and I had no idea. But it was good. I met him, and he was really nice. So it was easy.
And your show's funny. Your show it was a full-on comedy.
Yeah,
you did. My kids love Selena's show. We watched it all the time. And it's a big deal that Selena's in the movie for all of us, that we get to tell our kids we know her, and it made my family tighter, believe me.
I play Mavis, Dracula's daughter, and she is she's very, very feisty in the beginning. You know, she's turning 118. She wants her independence and freedom, and she's kind of over her dad a little bit because he's a little overbearing at the top of the movie. But you know, you see a really nice arc in the middle of it. Everybody, family, kids, parents. I mean, you've got like Adam Sandler, Molly Shannon, David Spade, all these great people who make this family movie an adult movie in a way. It's a really good combination.